Every day I wake up and every day I pray. Everything in my life never goes my way. I need to let it out, so I need to say. I need to let you know so I can feel okay. I try going forward, just 2 steps back. I try very hard, but I always seem to lack all the passion, emotion, my tears on emotion. Asking for forgiveness, but no one seems to notice. This is what I struggle with every single day. Wishing I could go to bed and wish my life away. A deep black hole that suffers with the pain. But people are the reason that I feel this way. I wanna be alright, I just wanna make it night. I'm asking for a chance, but the rumors are so right. I'm asking for forgiveness, but you just want to fight. So I just wanna cut, so I could be alright. I didn't do nothing wrong, but the rumors are too strong. Turn to all against me, made me feel I don't belong. I'm in my house, I'm in my room, and knowing that I'm all alone. Thinking to myself, yeah, maybe I should end it all. It's hard for me to say this, no one to call. Wish I had a friend list, yeah, that says it all. I'm always the last, I'm always forgotten. Makes me feel deep inside that I'm actually rotten. Well, sorry if I did you wrong. Well, this is now my very last song. Well, sorry if I did you wrong. Well, this is now my very last song. Well, every day I wake up and every day I pray. Everything in my life never goes my way. I need to let it out, so I need to say. I need to let you know so I can feel okay. Well, sorry if I did you wrong. Well, this is now my very last song. Well, sorry if I did you wrong. Well, this is now my very last song. Well, one day I woke up and someone rung me up, asking me if I'm okay, said no, I had enough. Yo, S.L.E, yo bro, what's up? Well, I don't know, man, my head is in the dumps. My life is all the shambles, I feel like I am Rambo. I'm fighting all these scandals, it's in my head, it's scrabble. Yo bro, wait there, you're messing with your brain, cause you're my deep friend, and I don't really care what other people think, but I know who you are. Forget what they say, cause you're beaten by far. You always got the courage, you always got the spirit. You're asking for forgiveness, well dude, are you tripping? What the hell is wrong with you and everything that you've been through? If you do not wake up soon, I'm gonna put a hex on you. Everything's not dark and gloom, saying that you're in your room. Just hold on tight, man, cause I will see you soon. But every day I wake up and every day I pray. Everything in my life never goes my way. I need to let it out, so I need to say. I need to let you know so I can feel okay. Well, sorry if I did you wrong. Well, this is now my very last song. Well, sorry if I did you wrong. Well, this is now my very last song.
Well done, buddy. Well done, Matt. Louise, what do you think of this performance?
Sure, I think your confidence, when the way you performed, I think was great. I think it's lovely to see you having confidence in yourself, and it always is nice to see that portrayed on a screen, stage, wherever you're performing. I think you have got potential. I think you need to play with rhythms a little bit more, because it was all kind of like da 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 da, you know, so like play with your rhythms a bit more, try different flows and try different kinds of beats and stuff. It would be interesting to hear it to a beat, so I'm excited to see a video that you have to send over. I do think you need a lot of work. You're not the only rapper this season, so I think it'll light a fire up your bum, you know, and make you work harder. But I think there is potential there. I think you just need to really kind of sit down and work hard and try and bring out the best in yourself, you know, and show us something different. Like, show us what makes you you. Does that make sense? But I did enjoy your audition. I enjoyed your lyrics, so well done for it.
Kelly?
Yeah, you have got better. I like how you use rap to express yourself. You know, it's very, very dark. Your lyrics are very, very dark, but they're also very relatable. I think that your rapping skills have got better, along with your writing skills, and your diction. It was a lot more clear. I could understand you a lot better. So yeah, I really, really enjoyed that, Sean. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, but so like, I've mentioned this before. Louise have just picked up with the pattern being very repetitive, the same. Where we do and where you brought in the chorus. I'm sorry. See how the rhythm changed there. So what I think she's trying to get at is more of that. a lot more, so it's not too
Make it
repetitive.
exciting.
Yes, but that's
Right.
something
Right.
that's something I know you can pick up, because if I'm being completely honest, yeah, there is still things we need to better in what you do, but I got to look at this from when I first met you to where you're at now, and I've seen an improvement in you. I've seen an improvement in your confidence, how you come across with your rap. Your writing skills are getting better. It's not as dark and aggressive as it was at first. Things are starting to become more flowy and a bit more commercialized to an all-rounded public instead of just one. And so things are getting better. So in all honesty, I do think you can improve from another season. I feel like you can, because these little things I've just pointed out there, they are things you could improve from this season. So other than that, again, I just want to point out this was an original of yours. Which one is that? Which one is that now? Is
Daily struggles.
Daily Struggles, that's the one. And that's what you do. You know, you like to write your own music. You like to perform your own music. So just keep doing what you're doing, but I'm glad you've come back to it, 100%.
Thank you.
You know, so just get into it now. Really focus over the next couple of weeks. If you're successful, you focus. You know, make sure your mind's in it. And you know you can always inbox at any time. What we're going to do now, we're going to go to a bit of a vote. So we're just going to ask, would you like to see him again?
I'm glad you auditioned, Sean. I'm going to say no, purely because I want to light a fire under your bum. I want you to fight for it, and I want you to prove me wrong. Yeah, and I think you can do it. But for now, like I said, I want you to prove me wrong. I'm going to say no for now.
Kelly?
I think if Joey works with you, I think he can bring out a little bit more in you. So I'll say yes for now.
I'm definitely going to say yes, because I like, the reason why I'm saying yes is because obviously with Kelly saying yes, that means you will go through to the next part. But like Louise just said, she wants to see you fight for it. So you need to show her that you can fight for it.
I think you can.
Okay, what would you like to hear? Because I can write about anything.
Well, it's...